So what's the easiest way to start fasting, and how did I start fasting? Well, I started fasting doing 18-6. A lot of people talk about 16-8. 16-8 means that you fast for 16 hours where you can drink things like water, black coffee, black tea, green tea, anything basically that doesn't have calories. Some people will say you can have a little bit of calories, 10, 20 calories, and if it does kick you out of a fast, it won't be for long. But generally, you don't have any calories within that 16 hours. In the 8-hour eating window, you just eat normally. The whole idea is that you've skipped a meal, so therefore it will give your body a rest, and it will also, if you're looking for fat loss, it will put you in a calorie deficit if that's what you want. Otherwise, you can just up your calories to your normal maintenance calories for the day. So yeah, typically, I don't eat breakfast. I'll start eating normally at lunchtime, and then I'll have my tea about 6:30, and then after that I'm very strict. I don't tend to have anything for the rest of the day. That's if I'm doing my 18-6, but you can adjust your window to suit you. Some people prefer to have breakfast and a big lunch and not have anything late in the evening. It's entirely up to you. So have you ever tried 18-6 or 16-8 or any kind of fasting window? Let me know in the comments. Until next time.